All right, first let's identify yourself.
Robert Hill, CEO, KSAMC.
Thanks so that you, KSMC made changes to the name of Chilean Fraser-Pryce. Just tell me what is happening.
So yesterday, as you would have known at the unveiling, that was Sunday the 25th of May, we realized upon the unveiling that the last name of the Honorable Shelley-Ann Fraser-Pryce was spelled incorrectly. Instead of it being P-R-Y-C-E, it had P-R-I-C-E. I immediately apologized to all gathered, particularly to the Honorable Shelley-Ann Fraser-Pryce, in regards to the error in the spelling, and committed that it would be done within the shortest possible time, which would have been first thing today, the 26th, Monday, the 26th of May. And here we are today. The sign contractors have come and changed all the signs. This was the last to go up. And I just want to again extend my sincere and heartfelt apologies to the Honorable Shelley-Ann Fraser-Pryce, to the residents of Ashoka Road, now Shelley-Ann Fraser-Pryce Drive, and the residents of Waterhouse in general, in the entire Jamaica, for the error that was caused. And we are happy that she accepted our apology very well in good spirits, and that we're here making the correction as we indeed committed.